Okay, this passage is titled The Truth About Fake Christmas Trees. Christmas trees are an iconic symbol that represent the Christmas holiday. They are fun to decorate and come in a variety of sizes and styles. Putting up and decorating the family Christmas tree is a tradition celebrated by many. Artificial Christmas trees are typically made in China and can be made at a very low cost. After a Christmas tree is imported from China, families can purchase a Christmas tree and enjoy many years of decorating and memories. Typically, an artificial Christmas tree can be used for 7 years before a new tree needs to be purchased. Artificial trees are easy to assemble and can be stored in an attic or garage when it is not in use. Since the branches are fake, they also do not produce the mess that live Christmas trees often do. Fake Christmas trees are made of a non-renewable resource called polyvinyl chloride, also known as PVC. This plastic is derived from petroleum and is a potential source of lead, especially in older artificial trees. This resource is also not biodegradable. The average artificial Christmas tree is used in a home for approximately 1 month of the year. Since artificial trees are not biodegradable, they will sit in a landfill for centuries after being used for just 7 months in a home. So that's the truth about fake Christmas trees. Now you will need to compare what you learn about real Christmas trees to fake Christmas trees. And the first question says, how are both trees made or grown? The next question says, how far do both trees have to travel before they can be purchased? Number 4 says, what are the cost of each tree? And number 5, how does each tree impact the environment? So you're going to answer each question, real tree on the left, fake tree on the right, and you write it in the box. That's all.